Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a modern, spacious 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms split level house for sale with floor size of 3,800 square feet. It is located in the upscale Chancery Hall, Kingston 19. The house is situated on 15,300 square feet, or approximately one third of gently sloping land in a prime, quiet, and beautiful residential community. The property boasts a well appointed entertainment gazebo with spacious bar and other service facilities. There is also backup water storage, double car garage, kitchen area, office space, bathroom with jacuzzi, living and dining, etc. The property has a beautiful view of the surrounding hills and it's an easy 8 minutes drive from the foot of Red Hills. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 100 million or US $649.7 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.